If you want to secure your website and make it show that trusted padlock in the browser, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to install SSL in Hostinger step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you've never done it before. An SSL certificate helps protect your visitors, builds trust, and is one of the most important things you can set up for any website. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more website and hosting guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, look for the website section in the main menu. This is where all of your hosted sites are managed, so click on websites to continue. After that, you'll see a list of the websites connected to your account. Find the website you want to secure, then click dashboard next to that site. This opens the main control panel for your domain and hosting settings. Now that you're in the dashboard, look for the security section. Inside security, you'll see an option called SSL. Click on SSL to open the certificate management page. This is where Hostinger lets you install and manage the SSL certificate for your domain. On this page, you should see your domain listed with an install button next to it. Click install beside your domain to begin the activation process. Once you click install, Hostinger will start setting up the SSL certificate for your website automatically. In most cases, this does not take much effort from your side, but you do need to wait for the activation to finish. Depending on your domain and hosting setup, the process may take a little bit of time, so don't worry if it doesn't switch on instantly. Just give it a moment and let Hostinger complete the setup. After activation, your website should be protected with HTTPS instead of HTTP. That means visitors can access your site more securely, and browsers are much more likely to show your site as safe and trustworthy. If your SSL is still processing, refresh the page after a few minutes and check the status again. In some cases, it may take a short while before the certificate fully activates across your domain. If you run into any issues, make sure you're installing SSL on the correct domain and that your website is connected properly inside Hostinger. Also, remember that SSL is not just for security, it can also help with user trust and is an important part of having a professional website. So if you haven't done this yet, now is the perfect time to get it set up. And that's it. You've now learned how to install SSL in Hostinger in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials on WordPress, hosting, and website setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.